Hello and welcome to Gardening Unraveled. I'm here sitting among my sweet potatoes that I planted a few days ago. I'm growing 4 varieties of sweet potatoes: ruby red, purple Stokes, Japanese, and jewel sweet potato. Alright, so if you want to learn how to plant these sweet potatoes in grow bags, I will show you how. Let's go. My small garden is located in growing zone 5B, and my first frost date is October 17th, and I have plenty of time for these potatoes to mature. I'm growing sweet potatoes in grow bags ranging from 5 gallons to 10 gallons. I'm using the ProMix Premium All-Purpose Mix. All of my vegetables thrive in this growing medium. It's derived from peat moss. It also contains peat humus, perlite, beneficial mycorrhizal fungi to promote vigorous root growth. I always reuse old potting soil and leave about a quarter of it in the container. I distribute the old soil throughout the new grow bags or top off the raised beds with it. To rejuvenate the old potting soil, I'm adding the ProMix. Sand is only needed for watermelons and sweet potatoes. Organic compost with organic composted cow manure. And a couple handfuls of the organic fertilizer made out of chicken poo. I make sure to mix it well. You want the potting mix to be well moistened. And remember that sweet potatoes love water. These are the jewel sweet potato slips. It's a semi-bush variety, and I'm going to plant all of them in a 7-gallon grow bag. Sweet potatoes grow roots from each leaf node, and you want to plant them deep for more root growth. I have a shorter growing season for warm-loving plants, so I'm not expecting large sweet potatoes. I'll be happy even if I get baby sweet potatoes. I'm using these plastic trays underneath my grow bags to prevent water runoff. These grow bags are a bit of a challenge to water because the water tends to run from the sides. I need to deeply water this container. We have no rain in sight, so every drop counts. Remember that sweet potatoes love water, so keep the soil moist all the time. I'm using these grow bags because sweet potatoes love warm soil. And these grow bags, especially the black ones, provide them the necessary heat because the sun heats them right away. This is the Japanese sweet potato. It took forever for the slips to start growing, and I thought that it was a dud. And that's because the potato was a young potato. If I had to do it again, I would buy the sweet potatoes in December and let them sit and age for a couple of months. Gently remove the slips from the potato and detangle the roots. I'm so excited that it produced 4 slips for me, and I will dedicate this 10-gallon grow bag for them. I bought 2 grow bags like this at Menards, and they are perfect to grow potatoes in. To fill this tall bag, I'm using old potting soil. Lots of compost with composted cow manure. I add a good amount of fertilizer, sand, and the Pro Mix all-purpose mix. I add the layer and mix well. If you have a long growing season and want bigger sweet potatoes, then you should only put 2 slips per 7-gallon container. Did you know that the sweet potato is a member of the bindweed and morning glory family? Sweet potatoes grow just like morning glories. They produce beautiful white trumpet flowers, and purple sweet potatoes produce white flowers with a purple center. The Japanese purple sweet potato is a vining variety, and it will sprawl all around. So to keep it contained, you can grow it on a trellis. You want to trim the vines so that the plant sends more energy into the roots than into the foliage. This is a tall grow bag, and I'm planting these slips very deep. I want the roots to grow all along the buried stem for possibly getting more potatoes. Most sweet potatoes take 120 days to mature. The sweet potato is a root vegetable. The longer it grows, the bigger the root will get. Fertilize the plants by adding a fertilizer that is low in nitrogen and higher in phosphorus and potassium. In the fall, when the temperatures start falling below 55 degrees, then sweet potatoes need to come out. The curing process is a bit of a challenge because sweet potatoes need to cure for 14 days in a warm room with a temperature of 85 degrees and 85% humidity. I'll make a harvesting video in the fall and see if I even have enough potatoes to cure. It's interesting how each different variety of sweet potato has different shaped leaves. Did you know that you can eat sweet potato leaves? You can eat them raw or saute them and use it instead of spinach. If you don't want to grow sweet potatoes, grow for their leaves. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my gardening friends.